I like to be out in the world to kind of gather stories. If I hear a conversation on the bus and I hear two people on the other side of the street having a kōrero, it will spark something in my mind. If it doesn't leave me alone for a few weeks, there's a story there and there's something to unpack, usually with a nagging kind of idea that wouldn't leave me alone for ages. Ko hikiroro te mauka, ko waikawaiti te awa,
ko puki te raki te marae. Ko kai Tahu, ko Waitaha, ko Kāti Māmoe ka iwi, ko Emma Hislop tuku ikua.
I had a wonderful secondary school English teacher, an amazing woman called Diane Kawana. She introduced our class to writers like Patricia Grace and Witi Maida, and she really turned me on to short stories. I always find describing my work quite difficult. I like writing about complicated situations, messy relationships. My first book is a book called Ruin, and it's a collection of short stories. Most of the stories in Ruin are about women. I suppose because I am one, I navigate my way through the world differently to the way men do, and I was interested in unpacking some of the complexities and often fraught scenarios that environments can bring about. I've been lucky enough this year to mentor a couple of younger kaitui. I've just found that so rewarding. The rangatahi coming through now and writing are just amazing, and I am very hopeful for the future. And I am very grateful to all the people who have helped me along the way. William Brandt, I asked him once how I could ever repay him, and he said, just pay it forward, pass it on. And that's something I try and do now.